Hello, beautiful lover of gossip and precious. Good day to you all. Welcome back to our channel. It's our channel because we are growing it together. Today, guys, I just say let me come and show you guys how I make my Nigerian jollof rice. As you can see, my ingredients is ready. So I don't want to talk too much because you know when we are making delicious yummy food don't good to be talk. So as you are watching this video, you are not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe to Gossip and Precious channel, please subscribe to us and be the part of the family. For our old time subscribe, we appreciate you guys. We thank you guys for being there for us, for only watching our video. Please continue sharing our video. Share to your village people. Share to your family. Share to your lovely one. Share to your Instagram, your Facebook. Share to your community. As you do, God will bless you. God in heaven will bless you all. So I will go for now so that we can prepare the food together, that the food will look yummy. Bye. See you in my next video. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye. As you are watching the moment you finish watching this video, please just like, drop a comment how you see the food, drop a comment and share my video to your community, please. I will so be grateful if you do that for us. As you do, God will bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.